How to contact Airbnb support for help. Hey everybody and welcome back everybody. In today's channel, we are going to route you to the right support pathway for your exact issue using the Airbnb Help Center. So let's just dive right in. So you can head over to the app if you have app, or you can also go to the website directly and directly choose contact us. If you're in the application, once you open it up, you can look out for your profile option in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And once we've tapped on it, our profile pops up. Now from here, you can just scroll down and go over and look out for the section called Get Help. So go ahead and tap on it, which is right below it, and we can visit the help center, get help with a safety issue. You can give them feedback, etc., report a neighborhood concern, etc. But if you want to contact them directly, you can just go over and tap on visit the help center. After that, you can follow up the prompts. So you can just go over and select what you would like to, what issue you have. For that, you can scroll down and tap on this option called contact us, and we can start chatting with them here. You can just go over and look out for Airbnb support page, and there just go over in chat or message with the support team here. You can write in a message in this box in the help center, and you know you can just go and use this method because many people find chat faster than email, so you can use this support, etc., direct. If not, sometimes Airbnb displays phone numbers in the help center after you start a support request. You can just go and contact it, or you can directly find the number within your website as well. And Airbnb does not list a universal global phone number for every country directly on the main site, so the number you can see can vary by reason once you start a help request in the help center. So you can just go over and look out for the assistant to help you faster. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You can follow this method if you want to contact the help center of Airbnb for help. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.